Welcome to Million Dollar Mansions, the ultimate destination for discovering the most luxurious and visionary estates around the world. Today, we bring you an extraordinary tour of a $150 million ultra-luxury mansion, designed to elevate modern living to an unparalleled level of sophistication and elegance. From the moment you approach this property, the grandeur of its black and golden exterior captures attention, combining contemporary architectural lines, expansive glass panels, and intricate golden detailing that glimmers in the sunlight. Every element has been thoughtfully designed to reflect not just luxury, but also a bold statement of style, modernity, and refinement. As we move closer, the entrance immediately commands attention. The double doors, crafted from high-gloss black wood with intricate golden inlays, exude sophistication. Polished golden handles and custom carvings highlight the craftsmanship, making it clear that every detail has been meticulously curated. Passing through these doors, you are welcomed by a spacious and elegant foyer that sets the tone for the mansion's interiors. Here, ambient lighting dances across reflective surfaces, highlighting the architectural beauty and the seamless integration of black and golden accents throughout the space. The foyer opens up to a grand living room, where luxury meets comfort in perfect harmony. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flood the space, illuminating plush black sofas with golden trims, and a majestic chandelier that hangs as the centerpiece. Carefully selected textures and materials create a rich, layered aesthetic, blending modern elegance with timeless appeal. This space is designed to host both intimate gatherings and grand social events, providing a versatile yet visually stunning environment. Every decorative detail, from golden sculptures to bespoke art pieces, enhances the room's ambiance, creating a space that feels both welcoming and extraordinary. Adjacent to the living room, the TV lounge offers a cinematic retreat. Black walls with subtle golden accents create an immersive environment, complemented by a massive curved LED screen. Luxurious seating, ambient lighting, and refined decor combine to deliver an entertainment experience fit for a billionaire lifestyle. The design seamlessly balances technology and aesthetics, making it perfect for movie nights, gaming, or casual relaxation, all within a space that radiates sophistication. The kitchen is a masterpiece of modern design and functionality. Black cabinets with golden handles, marble countertops, and high-end appliances provide a perfect blend of elegance and practicality. Every detail, from custom cabinetry to integrated lighting, has been curated to enhance both the culinary experience and the overall visual appeal. The space opens to the dining area, where a dramatic black marble table surrounded by golden chairs serves as the centerpiece. A statement chandelier illuminates the space, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere for family meals or formal entertaining. The dining area exemplifies the seamless balance of beauty and utility, a recurring theme throughout the mansion. The mansion's master bedroom is a private sanctuary. King-sized beds adorned with luxurious linens, golden accent walls, and soft ambient lighting create a serene retreat. Every element, from the choice of fabrics to the furniture placement, contributes to a space that is as comfortable as it is visually stunning. The connected ensuite bathroom continues the black and golden theme, featuring polished black marble walls, gleaming golden fixtures, a freestanding bathtub, and a glass shower. The bathroom combines spa-like luxury with modern design, offering a tranquil environment that feels both indulgent and rejuvenating. Fitness and wellness have not been overlooked. The private home gym follows the mansion's black and golden motif, featuring high-end equipment, mirrored walls, and dramatic ambient lighting. This space is both functional and visually striking, allowing residents to maintain their fitness routine while surrounded by elegance. The gym flows seamlessly with the mansion's overall design, ensuring that every corner contributes to the overarching theme of luxury and sophistication. Architectural details continue to impress with the mansion's grand staircase, crafted from black marble with golden railings. Ambient lighting accentuates the curves and design, turning a functional element into a striking centerpiece. The staircase connects multiple floors, integrating seamlessly with hallways and adjacent rooms. It exemplifies how thoughtful design transforms everyday features into works of art, emphasizing both utility and beauty. Outdoor living spaces are equally impressive. The backyard features multiple infinity pools, cascading through manicured landscapes, and reflecting the surrounding greenery and sky. Luxurious black and golden furniture, including swing lounges and shaded seating areas, provides comfort and style. The outdoor space is designed for relaxation, social gatherings, and enjoyment of the serene surroundings. Every detail, from lighting to furniture placement, has been carefully considered to create a cohesive and visually stunning environment. A private helipad ensures convenience and exclusivity, allowing residents and guests to arrive in style. Additionally, the estate includes a full-scale sports complex, with a soccer field and basketball arena, providing world-class recreational opportunities without leaving the property. These features highlight the mansion's commitment to a lifestyle that prioritizes both luxury and functionality, offering spaces for fitness, leisure, and entertainment. From a drone perspective, the mansion's full scale and grandeur are breathtaking. The black and golden exterior glimmers in sunlight, expansive glass walls reflect the sky, and landscaped gardens frame the property beautifully. This viewpoint allows one to appreciate the mansion's design in its entirety, highlighting the harmonious blend of architecture, nature, and luxury. Every detail, from outdoor lighting to the arrangement of furniture, contributes to a meticulously planned aesthetic, demonstrating a commitment to excellence and refinement. The interior continues to impress with every room, hallway, and corner designed to enhance both functionality and elegance. Lighting has been strategically implemented to accentuate textures, highlight golden accents, and create a warm, inviting atmosphere throughout the day and into the night. The black and golden color scheme unifies every space, reinforcing the mansion's identity and creating a cohesive visual experience. Even subtle elements, such as reflective surfaces, bespoke furnishings, and art placements, are designed to elevate the sense of sophistication and grandeur. Even the smaller details contribute to the overall effect. Staircase railings, door handles, and cabinet finishes are all carefully selected to complement the overarching black and golden palette. Every room offers a unique experience while remaining part of the mansion's cohesive narrative of luxury, modernity, and elegance. From cinematic lighting to polished surfaces, the estate embodies perfection in design, construction, and interior styling. As day turns to evening, the mansion transforms into a luminous spectacle. Pools shimmer under strategically placed lights, golden accents glow subtly, and interiors radiate a soft elegance that enhances every space. Outdoor seating areas, including swing lounges and shaded retreats, become inviting spots to enjoy the night air. The lighting design creates depth and drama, emphasizing architectural details and highlighting the beauty of each feature, ensuring that every angle presents a visual masterpiece. This estate represents the future of luxury living, where design, technology, and comfort merge seamlessly. The mansion demonstrates how visionary architecture can redefine lifestyle, combining private sanctuaries, social spaces, wellness areas, and entertainment facilities into a single cohesive environment. Every room, floor, and outdoor area contributes to a holistic experience, making the estate not just a home, but a statement of success, taste, and ambition. Attention to craftsmanship is evident in every aspect. From polished marble and gleaming golden accents to furniture placement and lighting design, the mansion reflects a level of care and artistry that few properties achieve. The integration of technology, luxury amenities, and aesthetic appeal ensures that residents enjoy both convenience and opulence, creating a lifestyle that is both indulgent and functional. This mansion exemplifies how black and golden design can be both bold and elegant, modern yet timeless. The palette unifies interior and exterior spaces, creating a coherent aesthetic while allowing individual features to shine. The architectural lines, materials, and textures work together to create an immersive environment, offering residents an unparalleled living experience that seamlessly blends form and function. From the helicopter view to interior close-ups, every perspective highlights the meticulous planning and visionary design behind this estate. The mansion is a perfect example of how modern architecture can elevate luxury living, combining grand scale, exquisite details, and cutting-edge amenities into a harmonious whole. Thank you for joining us on this cinematic journey through one of the world's most extraordinary mansions. We hope you have enjoyed exploring every aspect of this ultra-luxury estate, from the grand doors and elegant staircase to the cinematic interiors, resort-style outdoor spaces, infinity pools, and private sports complex. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to subscribe to Million Dollar Mansions for more exclusive tours, visionary properties, and insights into the lifestyles of the world's elite. Stay tuned for more inspiration, grandeur, and dream homes that redefine luxury and ambition.